Guys, it's running Kimono. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your kitsune udon. Everything's written in Japanese if you've picked up one of these delicious packages. Let's just talk about what it is first off. It is a Japanese noodle and a dashi base topped with a seasoned fried tofu, scallions, and it is just absolutely delicious. So there is the container. Everything is in Japanese. I do not read Japanese, but through these steps I've had a lot of success, and you can usually buy these for $4 or $5 at any Asian market, or you could buy it on Amazon.com. A case of 12 runs about $30. If you are a fan of ramen, you're absolutely going to want to try that. So let's just pop it open. Again, everything's in Japanese. So at the very top, you see a seasoning pack that has the dashi and then the other spices. There's your piece of dried tofu that's quite sweet. And there are the thicker noodles. It is not like the noodles sold like ramen in the US. These are a thick noodle that are very chewy and delicious. And then there's a couple little pieces of seafood as well. I'm not sure if it's imitation crab or what it is, but you throw all that back in your container with the tofu on top. See that watermark right there in the impression of the styrofoam? You'll have to put your hot water right up to that line. And here's your seasoning packet. So all of them, I open them up and then I just toss it right on top of the fried tofu, and then I add the hot water. So that's how I assemble it. And here it is. Sorry guys, I didn't put a clip of me putting the hot water in the noodles. So 5 minutes later, what I do is I put a fork on top to keep it closed. Do not put this container in the microwave as it's styrofoam. And 5 minutes later, you just twirl around your noodles and tofu, and it is ready to go. And it is absolutely delicious. Again, if you are a fan of ramen noodles, this is a treat. So that's it for now, guys. Bon appetit.